Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Xcode and going straight to Window, then Devices and Simulators so you can act now. Once the window appears, pick the Simulators tab and scan the list. Note model names and runtime versions so you don't delete the wrong one. If a simulator is running, quit it. Make sure no simulator app processes remain. This quick preparation prevents mistakes and speeds the deletion steps that follow. You now remove the simulator either inside Xcode or using the command line for precision. In Xcode, right-click the simulator row and choose Delete. Confirm the prompt to remove its data. Alternatively, open Terminal and run xgrun simple delete followed by the simulator identifier. This is faster for multiple entries. Once done, refresh the list and verify the simulator is gone. Also inspect disk space, because simulator files can occupy gigabytes. You finish by cleaning residual files so the deletion is complete. Remove derived data and the devices folders under ~library/developer, then restart Xcode. If the simulator still appears, reboot your Mac to reset caches. One troubleshooting tip: if deletions fail, kill the core simulator service with killall -9com. Apple, core simulator. Core simulator service, then retry xgrun simple delete. This force restart often clears locks and makes deletions succeed. Make sure to keep backups of any important simulator data before final removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.